In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 5 most common mistakes when learning your aerial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. The first mistake is not doing a proper hurdle or prep for your aerial. A lot of people kind of just like to run and just go straight into it, but you're not really going to get that momentum if you just skip that prep. You want to master the technique of the prep, because if you're able to get the technique right, then the more momentum you'll be able to gain in order to do your aerial. If you start with your left in front, you're going to have that in front. I like to go right leg, right leg, left comes up into this hurdle. Basically, it's like high knees, but it's just one up. Notice how this kind of bends. My opposite leg bends a little. As this comes up, this bends, and once it straightens, this comes up as a knee high to get that hurdle. If you do it with your right leg in front for your aerial, you'll have your right in front, you'll go left, right, left. See how this bends? The right leg comes up with the knee up as this straightens into that jump. So that's going to be a nice hurdle to help you get your aerial. Okay, mistake number 2 is not using your arms. A lot of people like to kind of keep their arms straight the whole time as they do their aerial. The thing is, a lot of the power is going to come from your arms. Leg in front, you're going opposite, start opposite, and just like this, where you're getting that knee ready to straighten into your jump, your arms are coming back, okay? And when your leg comes up, so do your arms. And this combined momentum is going to help you for that power to get over in your aerial. It's like full complete with the prep and the hurdle and with the arms. This is what it's going to look like. Boom. Common mistake number 3 is going for distance rather than height. A lot of people in their aerial, they like to really just go for it, and they're just going more for distance. But it's going to be a lot harder to get over if you're just going for that distance. All right, I'm going to show you what the distance looks like. So here's the distance aerial. See how I just went for distance? My hurdle wasn't as tight and it was more like lengthy. Although it feels like you're going to get more power from there, you're actually not, because you're not really going to be getting over as fast in your aerial. So you really want to work on height for this one. And that's going to stem from your hurdle and your prep. So in your hurdle, you really want it tight. You really want it going upwards. Just like that, upwards. So practice that upward momentum rather than distance. Okay, the 4th common mistake is going off of power instead of flexibility. You don't have to be super flexible for this skill, but it's going to help a lot, because in your aerial, once you get that hurdle, a lot of that momentum is going to come from driving your head down to get over. So notice how I'm going up, head comes down. Notice how it's really close to my knee right here. So it's like here. That's gonna make it easier to just get over. So some good stretches for that is to just do a lot of those side stretches where you're in a straddle and you're kind of just reaching overhead, really getting those hamstring stretches, especially on the leg that you're doing your aerial off of. So if I'm left-legged doing my aerial, really focusing on stretching the hamstring here. If I'm right-legged on my aerial, then focus on stretching the hamstring here. 5th common mistake is doing your aerial, but you're always putting your hands down, but you just think that the problem is that you're not getting enough air time. So let me kind of show you. So as I'm doing my aerial, see I put my hands down, I feel like I'm not getting enough air time. You just really have to work on that prep. Really have to work on getting that momentum, getting yourself over to get that air time. You don't really need a longer air time. You just really need to be able to focus on getting yourself over before your head lowers to the ground. Good tips is to hold on to something. Once you're feeling pretty confident and you're just really focusing on trying not to put your hands on the ground, you can just grab onto something. So I'm not tempted to put my hands on the ground. So let me show you. Up. Boom. Just like that. So those are the 5 most common mistakes on learning your aerial. Hopefully these tips help you.